What do you do when loneliness feels heavier than usual? When even talking to people seems impossible and you feel like no one could really understand? On those days, the words in a book sometimes feel like the only friends you have, at least from my personal experience. It's strange to think that a page of text can be enough to make a room less empty. Normally, we think reading is passive, something we do for entertainment or learning. But in these moments, literature isn't teaching, it's simply being there, witnessing without judgment. Yesterday evening, I sat in my apartment just after the sun had gone down and I opened a book. I didn't read quickly or even try to finish a chapter. I just let a paragraph sink in. It's difficult to just do that because normally we like to rush reading, finish chapters in books and mark it as completed. But reading like this is different. I let the paragraph sink in, and it reminded me that someone somewhere had thought something very similar to what I was feeling. And for a very small moment, that was enough. There's a strange clarity in that kind of reading. You don't have to have an insight or a breakthrough. You don't even have to write immediately. But if you pick up your journal afterward, you notice your words feel a little lighter. You feel a little more capable. The sentences you write aren't about fixing loneliness, they're about acknowledging it, sitting with it, and letting language meet you where you are. Sometimes, in my own experience, the books have been the only companions when everything and everyone else felt quiet or empty or far away. Not advice, not instruction, no expectation, just the language itself holding space. It's not magic, it's reality. The story or the voice of the writer doesn't replace anyone, but it reminds you that isolation is temporary and that your own experience matters enough to be reflected back to you. I keep returning to books like these. Have you ever returned to a book in a difficult moment and felt seen by its words? Even a single line that made you feel less alone? I'd like to read that if you share below. Even if no one else is around, the page can be a witness. Writing afterward doesn't have to capture everything. Sometimes just noting how it felt to be in that quiet company is enough. And when you come back the next day, the book and the journal are still there, waiting without judgment. No expectations, no complaints. Because over time, books become your best friends.